Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable Views Secured DNS on Brave. So let's get started. Firstly, open Brave browser in your device. Then tap on three dots icon. Next tap on Settings. After that, tap on Brave Shields and Privacy. Then scroll until you find Views Secure DNS. Then tap on it. After that, you can see the option of Views Secure DNS. Turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you can enable Views Secure DNS on Brave. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload quick new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.